What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be making mango pineapple paleo balls. We're going to be using the new Primal Kitchen mango pineapple flavor of Collagen Quench. These are really great either as a treat or if you're an endurance athlete or you have a physically demanding job and you want something that's high fat, low carb, nutritious that you can take with you. It's got collagen, ocean minerals, some high quality fats, all packed into a tiny package. And to get started, you're just going to take 2/3 a cup of raw, unsalted macadamia nuts. We're gonna toss that in our food processor and we're going to just pulse it until they're coarsely chopped. And doing that just helps everything mix together a little bit easier once you start adding the rest of your ingredients, which is exactly what we're gonna do now. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of creamy cashew butter, 1/4 teaspoon of pure coconut extract, 2 scoops of the mango pineapple collagen quench, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened full-fat coconut milk. And we're just going to combine that all in our food processor. We're gonna process until we get a dough-like consistency. And then we're just going to take some of that mixture and we're going to form balls. And then I'm just gonna take a couple tablespoons of my shredded coconut. I'm gonna put that on a plate and I'm gonna roll my balls, covering the balls in that shredded coconut. And that is it. These can be stored in the refrigerator for about 5 days or in the freezer for up to 2 to 3 weeks. And if you want to pick up any of the mango pineapple collagen quench, you can head on over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20 and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.